Hey, it's James Phillips. So I had a court martial where my client was accused basically touching his child in a way that was inappropriate. Now, the case was completely bogus. He was playing with his child, had touched her accidentally on the butt, and literally the ex-wife came back and accused him of fondling his daughter. And there was no evidence whatsoever, and she was using it as far as trying to win a custody case. So because of the nature of the military right now and the way court martials go, because it was labeled sexual, we ended up having to go all the way to a trial on this thing. And there really wasn't ever an idea that we were going to lose. We felt very good about our case. And the reason was my client was innocent. So what happens is we go through the beginning part of the trial, the government puts on all their evidence. There is a type of motion that you can bring after the government puts on their evidence, and it's called a 917, a motion for a finding of not guilty. And the entire strategy was we knew from the beginning that everything we were doing was pointing to the fact that we wanted to get into the judge and we wanted to talk to the judge after the prosecution had been putting their case in. And what we were going to do is ask him to dismiss the entire case because the government had not met their burden of proof. And that's exactly what happened. Our strategy worked. Basically, the judge said, there's no evidence here of this. I'm going to find him not guilty right now. And we never had to put on a defense or go forward. And every once in a while, this is the best way to approach the case. But the problem is you got to wait all the way to the end until after the government puts on their entire case, because what you're trying to do is get them to put everything forward so they can't bring the case again. Give me a call, 931-217-7648. My email is jphillipslaw22@gmail.com. If you want to book an appointment, just book down below. Thank you.